Carditone Ayush Herbs Special Blend Formula for nutritional support of healthy cardiovascular health. It is a combination of patented extraction of Rayuolfia and several other herbs and minerals including Terminalia argina, Tribulus terrestris, Buerhavia diffusa, rose powder, and magnesium. Rayuolfia not only does it have calming properties, it also has been used traditionally to support blood pressure levels already within the normal range. Terminalia argina is traditionally used as heart support. Tribulus terrestris and Buerhavia diffusa are considered renal supportive. Rose powder has calming effects, and magnesium supports cardiovascular health by helping to maintain healthy level of calcium and potassium. Its ingredients includes magnesium 200 mg, convolvulus pluricaulis 100 mg, Terminalia argina 100 mg, Tribulus terrestris 100 mg, Rayuolfia 50 mg, and Rosa vinca 25 mg. Some reviews by people who take Carditone. Riyadh product, September 3, 2011 by Wells. A naturopathic doctor at Bastyr University originally prescribed Carditone for more husband's high blood pressure 185 over 125 about 6 years ago. He was told to start with 3 tablets a day in 3 separate doses. BP came down within a couple of months and continued to decline over time to 110 over 70, where it has stayed even with reducing to 2 tablets per day for some years now. As with other herbs, you must take for a few months to see real results. His allopathic docs know he takes these products and approve, especially since it shows such great result. Work when nothing else would. April 24, 2008 by A. Lorraine Ironplow. Carditone has been working great for me for many years. No other med for high blood pressure ever worked for me, including a diuretic, an ACE inhibitor, a beta blocker, and 2 different calcium channel blockers, and most of those had unpleasant side effects. I started out taking Carditone per day, and after a few years, had to increase to 2 per day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. I've never had any side effects from Carditone. Helps with high blood pressure, June 12, 2007, by Patricia Fuller. Having been diagnosed with high blood pressure, I was prescribed a horrible medicine that had some of the worst side effects ever. Not able to take this medicine and still faced with alarming blood pressure. I had to find an alternative. A cousin came to visit and had run into similar issues. He was taking Carditone to manage his BP. I tried the Carditone and it did make a difference with no side effects. I am still working on getting the right dosage for me. I have complete confidence that Carditone is my answer. Works for me, August 27, 2011 by D. Burns 37. This reviews is from Ayush Herbs, Carditone 60. This product has lowered my blood pressure from 120s over 90s to 110 over 80s. I do have to take it twice a day to get this desired effect, but I have had no adverse reaction even when taken on an empty stomach. Getting another bottle soon. High blood pressure left untreated may damage organs in the body. It can also increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, brain hemorrhage, kidney disease, and vision loss. Besides Carditone, there are other natural remedies for high blood pressure. Coenzyme Q10 has been shown in the studies it can significantly reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Another herb is garlic, which can thin the blood or reduce the ability of blood to clot. similar to aspirin. However, it can only be used accordingly to doctor's advice, as it may interact with other medication and supplements such as warfarin, aspirin, vitamin E, and ginkgo. Another herb used by traditional herbal practitioners for high blood pressure is hawthorn, and so far, no drug interactions are reported. In addition to above alternatives, preliminary studies suggest that fish oil may have a modest effect on high blood pressure. There is some evidence that DHA is the ingredient that lowers high blood pressure. Learn more about fish oil. Folate, taken in the form of folic acid, may help to lower high blood pressure in some people, possibly by reducing elevated homocysteine levels. Folate is a B vitamin necessary for formation of red blood cells. It is always advisable to seek your doctor's advice before taking any supplements, herbs for high blood pressure, especially if you are currently on prescription drugs, have allergies. The same applies if you would like to give Carditone Ayush Herbs formula a try.